Alright, in this tutorial we are going to create a digital guest book on SignE Right Here. So the first thing you do is create an account. You put in this information, and then after you select all that information, you select a security code, set an answer to that, and then put in a password. After that is complete, then you will then go here and sign in. And after you sign in, now it's time to create your first event. So we're going to create a new event, and we're going to say there is a wedding coming up. So as you can tell, these are all the different kinds: a funeral, a guest book for a funeral, an engagement. You can create your own special event, whether that is a faith-based event or a corporate event. You can do a meetup, a graduation, a corporate event, a band or gig, an ordination, retirement, a wedding, a bar mitzvah, birthday, baby shower, or anniversary. We're going to select wedding here. Now we're going to select an image for that wedding. After we select the image, we're going to say Jamal and Mimo's wedding. We're going to give it a location. We're going to give it a date. We're going to say what time it's going to occur. Alright, and then we can change the color of our text. Let's make it purple. We're going to say next. Alright, now we have to select what do we want our guests to enter. So I always would, this is not required, but I always select allow them to add a picture. Always allow them to add a phone number and any thoughts and memories. Let's get rid of the phone number. Let's just say thoughts and memories, email, name of the guest, and allow that guest to put a picture. To do next. And this is where you would normally pay under the regular subscription, but under this one, this is if you have a corporate account. As you can tell, it is free. Then you just continue with subscriptions, and here is your guest book. Now when you go into that guest book, you can view this QR code. You can copy this code and place it anywhere on the tables or at the front for everyone to sign. Or if you want, you can just have it on a tablet where everyone comes in and they will get this screen where they have to scan and then enter in the data. Or you can print it. And once you print it, you have the choice of having it come out this way if it's portrait, or landscape this way. So either one will work. And then once we go back here, now here are the other options. This is where you can customize your thank you message. This is where we have a default message in there. You can add pictures here if you like. You can add links to something, to a special page or somewhere else that you want them to go, like a donation page for the event, or if you just want a bold, italic, or underline. And you can change the type of heading in which it's going to look like. And this is the message that's going to go back out to every person who signs your guest book. You can also print your guest book here. It'll print out everyone that signs it. Or you can just take a look at it by clicking this button here, which is the magnifying glass. And this will show you everybody that has signed your guest book. And as you can tell, it turns just like a regular book. And then we'll close this. Oops. And then if you need to make any changes, you can click on this one here, edit. Now notice you can change the name, the address, the date, or the time, and what information you want the user to put in. And that is all that you have to worry about with creating a digital guest book on SignE Right Here.